The joy of Christmas, even more importantly, I believe, isn't the fact that Jesus was born, but rather it's the symbology, the personal symbology of the Christ presence, the divinity being born in us. That birth that we celebrate is really the birth of this Christ presence, this divine presence happening inside of us. And that's the real joy of Christmas. You know, one of the things Jesus said is, I've come that my joy might be within you and that your joy might be full. A lot of people don't realize that Jesus' message was also about joy. And everybody wants joy. Everybody wants to be happy. But they seek it outside. They're looking in all these other places for joy when it's always inside of us. And when you look at the story, remember Jesus was born in the Middle East, right? And some of the characters were the wise men and women who were in the East, and they were following the star in the East. Well, symbolically, the star in the East represents the within of you, when you turn within. And that's where Jesus located the kingdom of God. Now, the kingdom of God is not streets of gold and milk of honey inside of us. It's not skyscrapers like here in New York City. It's not angels with harps and big band music. No, it's energy. It's consciousness. It's joy, it's peace, it's love, it's wisdom, it's energy. And it's all good, located inside. He said, the kingdom of God, people look here and there for signs of the kingdom, but I say it's within you. And so the joy of Christmas is discovering that joy. In the East, they have a saying for God, Satchidananda, which means conscious, eternal joy or bliss. The word ananda means bliss. And that's what God is. And that presence is what we can experience because you and I are expressions of that presence of God, just like a wave is an expression of the ocean. And so you and I are expressions of Satchidananda, of joy, of the joy Jesus came to teach us about. And that's really what I believe Christmas is really all about. It's getting in touch with that inner joy, that inner presence that Jesus knew and discovered in his life. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.